So there is difference between these two terms, that is 1 by 0 and 1 by approaching 0. These two things are different things. Like this is 1 by 0. Directly it is saying that it is 1 by 0. This is not saying 1 by 0. It is saying that 1 is being divided by a value which is x, and x is approaching 0. So some value which is approaching 0. If you write it in English instead of mathematics, you will say like this: 1 by approaching 0. So there is difference between 1 by approaching 0 and 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. Why 1 by 0 is not defined? Because if you take 1 by 0 is some defined value x, this means 1 is equal to 0 into x, which means x is some number which after multiplying with 0 will give you 1, which is not possible. There is no such x. Any big value can be taken, but it cannot multiply with 0 to give 1. Is it okay?
Yeah.
So this is uh, actually 1 by 0 is not defined. Now what is about 1 by approaching 0? 1 by approaching 0 is, if we talk about 1 by approaching 0, then it means that the value is not 0, but it is very, very close to 0. Like you can take a very small value like this. Now, if you take its reciprocal, it will be a very large value. A reciprocal of a very small value is a very large value, which is called infinity. So infinity is not defined. It is not called as not defined. It does not exist. It is a symbol for a very large value, which cannot be written. So infinity is a Greek letter, which this is a Greek letter, and this is actually a symbol for a very large value.
Okay.
So you have to understand, there it was x approaching 0. So it will give you infinity. It will not give you 1 by x. It will not give you a not defined or does not exist. If it is 1 by 0, you will say not defined, or you can say does not exist. But if it is this one, you will say infinity. 1 second, I'll just get back to you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So now you can share. I was stopping the share for me.
Yes, sir. So that one will be infinity.
Sorry,
That one will be infinity, right? The answer,
that
right?
will be infinity. Yeah.
And for D, sir, I got zero. Is it right? But I think I don't think the answer is zero, but I got zero because I directly substituted
The
and I got zero.
numerator will become 12. Numerator will become 0. And what about denominator?
Denominator is also becoming zero.
So it will not be 0, na? 0 by 0. Then you have to
Yeah.
do some simplification, some
So I
factorization here.
tried splitting the middle term
Yes.
on top, but then I'm getting three terms. I'm getting not getting two terms.
Oh, how it will be 3? It is quadratic. It will be 2 terms. Let us check. I'll take the pic here. So जो D है, इसमें लिमिट x अप्रोचिंग -2 है, (3x² + 5x - 2 upon x² - 2x - 8. So this would be limit x approaching -2, and this will become 3x² and 5x. 3 into 2 is 6. With the subtraction, you need 6. 5 here. So 6x minus x minus 2. This is what you will do. Have you done this?
No, sir, I did. I split the middle term. I did the product in sum rule and I got 3x² plus 3x plus 2x minus 2.
Okay, so this 3x plus 2x splitting is wrong now. Why it is wrong? Because as we know that in middle term splitting, when we multiply this a with this c, this is c actually. So 3 into -2 is -6. So this minus sign means you need to do subtraction of middle term. If this
Subtraction of middle
middle
term.
term, that means middle term should be obtained by subtraction. Subtraction to get middle term. Subtraction to get middle term. So one way was 5x is equal to 3x plus 2x. But this 3x plus 2x is addition. And you have a into c as 3 into -2 -6, right?
Yeah.
So basically this will be subtraction. So we will write 5x as 6x minus x. This will also give you 5, 6 into 1, 5. And this will give you 6 into 1, 6. And this will also give you 6, 3 into 2, 6. But here there is addition, here there is subtraction. We will take subtraction. Are you getting my
Okay.
point?
Yeah.
So you have to see that a into c, which multiplied, is positive or negative. If it is positive, middle term will be obtained by addition. If it is negative, middle term has to be obtained by subtraction.
Okay.
Now the denominator is x² minus 2x minus 8. This will be x² minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. Have you done this in this?
No, sir. I think I did something else.
So here also, this 1 is a and -8 is c. So when you do 1 into -8, you will get -8. Now middle term is 2 here. Let us talk about only 2. So 2 can be written as 4 minus 2. Subtraction we are doing because there is a minus sign here. And 4 into 2 will give you 8, which is this value. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So this 2x can be written as 4x minus 2x, because 2 can be written as 4 minus 2. And there is a minus sign outside. So minus 4x plus 2x, it will become limit x approaching -2. This will be 3x common, x plus 2, -1 common, x plus 2, upon x common, x minus 4, plus 2 common, x minus 4. So this will be limit x approaching -2, then x plus 2 into 3x minus 1 upon x plus 2 into x minus 4. Now x plus 2 will get cancelled. Now you can put x approaching -2 as x minus 2 directly. 3 into -2 minus 1 and -2 minus 4. It will be -7 by -6. So it will be 7 by 6. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah. So can we cancel the my negatives and we get 7 by 6 finally?
Yeah, yeah. So that is what we have done. No, -7 by
Okay, yeah,
-6
yeah.
is 7.
I see it. Yes, sir. Yeah, should I show the next question?
Yeah, you haven't written this.
I wrote it. I just wrote it.
Now you can show.
So, and this one I got 14. It's direct substitution.
Direct
No,
substitution
sorry,
it
not
will be.
direct. I opened the bracket.
Okay.
X plus 7, x minus 7.
Yeah,
Cancel
then
x.
fine. Then it's okay.
And this one I used the formula fx plus h.
Yeah.
The
A and B
first,
we did already in the
yeah,
class.
the first two. So I didn't get C. I didn't get this one again. These
C
two.
and D.
Yeah.
Okay. So I will tell
Because
you C and you will try D. Okay.
okay, sir.
Let me take the picture. So C was ST is equal to 1 by 3t cube minus 5t square. So again, if you do, yeah, here it is f of t as s of t, right? Variable is t, not x. That does not make any difference. So if you find d of st, that is s dash of t, so it will be st plus h minus st. Here t we are using instead of x, that is the variable. Whichever variable you can take, it is not necessary that you always take x as the variable. You can take t also. And function, it is not necessary you denote as f. You can use s also. You can use another letter also. By h, limit h approaching 0.
So what is d by dt?
dst by dt. D, जैसे we used to write na, d of fx by dx. So here the variable is t. T is the variable, not x.
Okay.
So we are using the derivative with respect to t.
So where is the so we don't use the f of x plus h minus f of x.
We are using that, but it is not that we always denote it by f and x. Here we are denoting it. The function is not basically the function is given. Like in the previous one, like it was 11x square plus 2x. Hx was 11x square plus 2x. If you see the previous question,
Yeah.
so there the variable was x. So we were using h of x plus h minus h
Yeah.
of x by h. Here the variable is not x, it is t. Everywhere the variable which varies actually, that is t. We're
Okay.
using variable t here. We can use either x, either t, whatever is the input. Input is the variable here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this will be equal to limit h approaching 0 and s of t plus h if you want to find out. It will be 1 by 3 t plus h whole cube minus 5 t plus h minus 1 by 3 t cube plus 5 t square. This is what we will get here by h. Can we write it like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is s of t plus h. So instead of t, we put t plus h everywhere. And then we have s of t, so we put st here. I hope it is clear. This is ft plus h whole square. Sorry, this is whole square. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this will be equal to, now these two are there, from where we can take 1 by 3 common. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Okay. And then we have this and this. So this bracket is closed, plus 5 t plus h whole square minus t square is t plus h plus t plus h minus t by h it will become. So we have applied two identity. One is a cube minus b cube, another is a square minus b square. So t cancels. Here also t cancels. And we get 1 by 3. In this bracket, t plus h whole square plus t square plus t plus h into t. Here we get 5 2t plus h. This we are getting into h is there. H is here also, here also. So this h will simply come outside. And by h is also there. Limit h approaching 0. Now you cancel these two h and put h as 0. So 1 by 3. This will be t square as h is 0 plus t square plus t square. This will be 5 into 2t as h is 0. So this will be 3t square by 3 and this will be 10t. So answer will be t square plus 10t. So t square minus 10t it should be. Have we done plus minus mistake anywhere? Yeah, here it was minus now. Minus 5t plus h whole square. So this is minus. Here also have to put minus. Here also have to put minus. Here also have to put minus. Here minus and here minus. So minus, minus. This is minus 5 into 2t. This is minus. This is minus. So you can write from here and see whether you are getting each and every step on that. Hello, Sathya. Are you focusing?
Yes. Yeah, I'm writing. So why is there a H over there?
Sorry.
Why is there a H on the on the numerator in the third step.
Because we have h
No,
coming
no,
out
not that,
from.
sir. This one.
Yeah, you're talking about this h, no?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This h is coming because of this h and this h. So from this term, this h is only the remaining value which is multiplied, and from this term, this h is only remaining value. So h comes outside. The rest
Okay.
of the terms we are writing inside the bracket.
Yeah. So can you scroll down? So the answer is 2 square minus 10t.
Hmm. So t square minus 20. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Now, would you like to try next one?
Yeah, I'll try so.
I will give you a hint. In next one, before applying the formula, that function fx is actually x plus 3 into x minus 1, right?
Yeah.
So what you will do, you will open the bracket and write it in simplified form. That is x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. That will become x square plus 2x minus 3. So write it in that form. Then apply the this formula of fx plus h minus fx by h.
Okay.
Got it? You open the bracket
Yeah.
and get it in the term by term form. I'm coming in 2 minutes, Sathya. Let's try this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Satya, anything you need to ask?
No, no, sir. The answer two. I'm sorry. H square plus two H
H square.
plus two H.
That you are giving the answer, final answer.
Yeah.
But it is not in terms of H, no, it will in terms of X. H has to be gone as H is approaching 0. Finally, you will substitute H as 0. Can you tell me how you have done it?
Um. Yeah. So x plus h whole square. I wrote it as x square plus h square plus two x h,
Ah, okay,
and then plus two x two bracket x plus h I got as two x plus two h minus
okay.
three,
Minus 3, correct.
and then minus of x square plus two x minus three. That is minus x square minus two x plus three.
Okay, upon.
So I cancelled x square and minus x square on top.
Okay,
I cancelled 2x and minus 2x.
okay,
I cancelled plus 3 minus 3.
okay,
So I got h square plus 2x h plus 2h
okay.
by h.
Yeah.
So I
So
substituted x as uh, 0.
why X as 0? H is approaching 0 now. H we take as 0.
Okay.
You take this now, f of x plus h minus f of x by h, limit h is approaching 0. This is called f dash x. This is the derivative.
Okay. So I should I cancel the h and h square? Can I cancel that?
How will you cancel that? There are h in other places also.
Okay. Yeah. So
Can you take h common from the numerator?
yes, sir.
H plus 2x plus 2 it will become upon h. Now you can cancel h from numerator and denominator.
Yeah.
Now can you place h as 0? With the 2x plus 2. This will be your answer.
Okay. Yeah. Done. So
Next is, now you share further.
I think that's it.
Okay. So
I
now
have to
can
submit.
you have to submit. You submit.
I'll submit it. I think I'll put in the other one.
Yes, Satya, have you submitted it? Hello, Satya, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, are you submitting it or?
Yeah, I'm submitting. Sorry, sir. I'm scanning it. It's slow. I'm
Okay,
just
okay,
scanning
no
it.
issue, no issue. So how much time? 5 minutes it will take?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, I will
So I will
submit it.
be back in 5 minutes. Meanwhile, you
Sure,
submit.
sure, sir. Sure.
Hello, Satya. Is it taking time?
No, sir, it's almost done. Just a minute.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I got units and sorry derivatives and their applications.
Okay. Can you show me?
Sorry. This one is 2.1, 2.3, 2. I think there are four.
Okay. Introduction to derivatives and differentiability. Okay. 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 This is same as we have done there.
Yeah.
The instantaneous rate of change if it's prime or y prime. Okay. Okay. Move on. Okay. Fine. Okay. Fine. Fine. Um, okay. Fine. Okay. Fine. Okay. 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 Is this a very lengthy slide?
Let me check my mind. Sorry. So I think this has, yeah, 20 slides.
20 slides. Okay. Okay. In which slide we are here right now?
We're in 13th.
Okay. Let us move on. Okay. Fine. Okay. Fine. Okay. Fine. Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's it, sir.
Fine. So now let us start this one in the next class because they are all linked. If I start, then I'll have to again restart in the next class.
Okay, sir.
So we will start it fresh tomorrow's class,
Okay.
and we may be able to cover either in tomorrow's or half of the day after tomorrow class. We will able to complete this set of slides.
Okay, sir. So there are, I think, four of these.
Yeah.
Four,
So
sorry, four.
what are other topics? We just go through
Yeah.
them one by one.
Second one is creation of tangent line.
Okay, fine. Next one is next topic.
Uh, Third one is chain
Chain.
rule,
Okay, next one is.
and last one is applications of derivatives.
So how many slides are there in application of derivatives? Can you see?
Applications.
Also, it is a big chapter.
No, eight. Only eight.
Only 8 is there. Okay, so they are not dealing with many of those concepts.
I
Just
think it's only
overview.
2 hours, sir. I think.
Okay. So we may need around 6 classes overall, 5 to 6 classes to complete this course.
Okay. So is there? Can you take 2 hours any day?
That you have to talk with the person who is scheduling the class.
Okay. Okay, I'll ask.
You can say that sir has no problem if it is possible regarding the scheduling of classes,
Okay.
then they can do it
Okay, sir.
because they schedule the classes.
Okay. Okay, I'll ask.